Tracking the tropics, this is where we start, and this is going to be our main focus for much of the week. So we're looking at this disturbance. That's what we call right now. It's going to be some energy that's off the east coast of Florida. It's a 20% chance of development over the next 2 days. In the next 3 to 7 days, as it moves into the Gulf, there's a low chance that we could develop into something stronger. Tropical depression's looking pretty likely at this time, but as for tropical storm or stronger, right now that's extremely low chance. A lot of storm activity South Florida and even the entire peninsula extending all the way up to South Carolina. Satellite imagery a lot of times gives me a better indication and even showing you if we start to see some organization and then strengthening. Where the National Hurricane Center's put that low, you can see storm activity is actually moving away from it. Water temperatures conducive for development, warm enough. You got to be about 80 or so. We're close to 90 in some cases. Atmospheric humidity, tropical humidity, you can see it gets really high and we are moving that our way. This is actual forecast going into Wednesday. Wednesday, note that timing. As for wind shear, it would tear the storms apart, keep it from developing. We start to see pockets here of low wind shear within, again, a forecast because we've got that mini heat dome. That's that big bubble of high pressure. It's right on top of us. That's why it's so hot. High-res forecast, let's show you and start off with it. 2 clusters of storms. The northern area takes over with the spin really by the time we go into Wednesday, but still shows most of the storm activity well south into the Gulf. We get some storms shown by this forecast by Wednesday evening. So that's the first timing of the tropically driven storms in nature is going to be by Wednesday evening. Thursday's forecast is by 2. That's the farthest we can go with this high-res forecast. Still shows most of the storm activity south. I don't see a whole lot of organization. Don't see a big strengthening from the system at this time. If anything, that looks really tropical depression-y. So we get a forecast from different parts of the globe here. This is out of Europe. It's very similar to our forecast here out of the U.S. It's a little bit lower resolution. Still notes Wednesday evening that arrival of a first plume of tropically driven storms. And then into Thursday, more storms, but shows it more along the coast. And that's the same for Friday. So really Thursday, Friday, my focus points for the very heaviest of rain. Right now, Wednesday to Thursday morning, a level 1 threat of locally heavy rain and flooding. So when you see that as we're on the western edge of it and it extends east and then Thursday morning, that's the Wednesday evening time period. But as we go into Thursday, a level 2 risk of possible locally heavy rain for the South Shore, and then everybody for Friday, a locally heavy rain threat is a level 2. Those are the 2 days I believe we could go under flood go under flood watches, so at least impact days for now. Some of the best forecast data show at least maybe up to 5 inches of rain or more, but centered along the coast. So big takeaway, system nears by Wednesday, stormy stays Thursday, Friday, and that's where the watches are most likely. We could upgrade to alert days. Highest totals along the coast. If we do see our next storm, it's going to be named Dexter. Okay, we go into rainfall totals. Algiers was nearly 3.5 with a recent storm that added to the rain that we just had. So officially that flood advisory that goes until 6:45, but really effectively that storm is long gone. Look at this, how quickly it forms, how quickly it fades. I don't hardly see anything here. There is one stronger storm that's right over Nairn right now, and this is the heaviest rain we've got with the downpour, but we've got we don't have any lightning with it is what I'm trying to get to. Thibodeau came in with at least a 1.5 rainfall total with a couple of storms that arrived today. Top temp went to 93, 91 at Lakefront, but you see rain cool there for many of us. Tomorrow, another heat advisory and is expanded farther north, so the entire North Shores here kicks in at 10, goes until 7. Fewer storms tomorrow, which should allow us to really heat up. 94, 95 makes it feel even hotter. Could feel as hot as 110. I calculated 109 here in town. So WDSU first warning weather the next couple of days is for heat, the impact days. But the flood threat increasing by Thursday, Friday, maybe lingering into Saturday. That's going to be the impact days there. We will continue to track and monitor that tropical disturbance.